doctors are working to put an end to the pain-opioid constipation cycle, but you need to act now. Qualified participants may receive study-related investigation.
Sad I gotta do the same thing I do with the dogs to make them be quiet. They're actually in our neighborhood?
Yeah, they just went past our house.
Hey! I want to see you. This is not the hotel where your family is staying. What's happening? So then he tells me, oh, I thought I was supposed to put it in before you could see that. And I said, I'm sorry? What did you do with it? And he says, oh, I used it for the bachelor party. So I started cussing him out. And I said, well, what the heck did you do? What did you do? You know, pay for hookers, pay for... What's the cost? What would you pay for those $2,000?
That is a lot of money for just a bathtub and some milk.
I had a rent that room because I put up about 40% in that room.
You didn't have a right to take the money that we've been saving for a year for our wedding and pay for the bachelor party. Because that wasn't the understanding as to why we put our money together. What else did you do with the $2,000?
I bought a camcorder, tripod.
You haven't found that tape yet?
I don't even think I want to come.
What else did you do with the $2,000?
It was a big party. It was me transitioning from.
Transitioning from what?
Well, I was the head of household of my family, my brothers. I took care of my brothers, and so now I was about to transition into having my own family. I was about to start my own family.